In this video I will show you how to clean your AirPods with some home remedies, how you have to proceed, what you have to consider and what exactly you need to clean the AirPods. And on the other hand, I will also tell you why it is important to clean the AirPods regularly. So let's not waste any time and hop right into it. You will need a toothpick, a Q-tip, a soft toothbrush, a tissue, a little bit of water, and a soft cloth. Let's start with the AirPods. First, moisten the tissue a little to remove the coarse dirt. Then you can dry it with the cloth and make sure that no liquid gets into the AirPods. Now you can use the toothpick or toothbrush to remove the dirt from the edges and hard-to-reach places. This works very well, but be careful when you use any other sharp objects. To clean the rubber tips on the AirPod Pros, just simply rinse them in warm water. Do not use soap or any other cleaning products. Then dry them off again with the soft cloth. Make sure that the rubbers are completely dry before putting them back on the AirPods. You can simply clean the case with a water-dampened tissue and then dry it again with the soft cloth. If necessary, you can also put a little bit of disinfectant on the tissue beforehand. Make sure that the liquid does not get inside the case or in the lightning connector, especially where the metal contacts are, because otherwise you will damage the AirPods and they will be unusable. At this point, it is best to take the Q-tip or toothpick and remove the dirt there in a dry way. The best way to remove remaining dust or dirt that's in the lightning connector is to use a toothpick and toothbrush and cleaning it carefully also in a dry way. Don't push too hard so you don't damage the connector. And that's it. Now your AirPods should be nice and clean again. So why is it important to clean the AirPods on the regular basis? It is important to clean the AirPods once in a while. Not only for hygienic reasons but also because the sound quality of the AirPods could decrease. Especially the part that is inserted deeper into the ear where the grill is clogged with dirt, and this can have a negative effect on the sound quality. And I also recommend doing it regularly, or at least when you see that they are dirty, to make sure you don't build up the dirt, because that makes the AirPods a little harder to clean. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions you can write them in the comment section and I'll answer them. And if you want to stay tuned for more videos, then feel free considering to subscribe to my channel if haven't already done so. And I'll see you in my next video.